Hello student, good morning. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss chlorine. Last class I have discussed chemical properties of halogens. Now I am going to discuss chlorine. Chlorine was discovered in 1774 by Csir by the action of HCl on MnO2, means manganese dioxide, on action of HCl on manganese dioxide. In 1810, Davy established its elementary nature and suggested the name chlorine on account of its color. Greek chloros means greenish yellow. It is a Greek word. This chloros means greenish yellow. Preparation. How we will prepare chlorine, that I am telling you. It can be prepared by any one of the following methods. There are 4 methods total. Then 2 methods is common. First, by heating manganese dioxide with concentrated hydrochloric acid, means MnO2 plus 4 HCl. It gives MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus 2H2O. Again I am telling you, MnO2 plus 4 HCl, it gives MnCl2 plus Cl2 plus 2H2O. However, a mixture of common salt and concentrated H2SO4 is used in place of HCl. Reaction I am telling you, 4NaCl plus MnO2 plus 4H2SO4. It gives MnCl2 plus sodium hydrogen sulfate, means NaHSO4 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. Again I am repeating the reaction. 4NaCl, balanced reaction I am telling you. 4NaCl plus MnO2 plus 4H2SO4. It gives MnCl2 plus 4NaHSO4 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. Total 4 product. First product is MnCl2, second product is 4NaHSO4, third product is 2H2O plus fourth product is Cl2. Second method I am telling you, by the action of HCl on potassium permanganate. Reaction I am telling you, 2KMnO4 plus 16 HCl, 2KMnO4 plus 16 HCl, it gives total 4 product. One product is chlorine. Okay, then its 4 products are there. First product is 2KCl, second product is 2MnCl2, third product is 8H2O plus 5Cl2. Okay, again I am telling you, 2KMnO4 plus 16 HCl, it gives 4 product. 2KCl plus 2MnCl2 plus 8H2O plus 5Cl2. Now I am telling you manufacturing method. That is the manufacture of chlorine, means in large quantity. First, Deacons process, DEACONS, Deacons process. How What is this process? How will we get by this process? Then by oxidation of hydrogen chloride gas by atmospheric oxygen in the presence of CuCl2. This is as catalyst. CuCl2 function as catalyst at 723 Kelvin. By oxidation of hydrogen chloride gas by atmospheric oxygen in the presence of catalyst. Which catalyst? Then cupric chloride CuCl2 at 723 Kelvin. Reaction is 4HCl plus O2. 4HCl plus O2, it gives 2Cl2 plus 2H2O in the presence of CuCl2. Second method, second manufacturing method, then it is electrolytic process, electrolytic method. And electrolytic method, you know, oxidation and reduction takes place. Chlorine is obtained by the electrolysis of brine. Brine means concentrated NaCl solution is called brine. Chlorine is obtained by the electrolysis of brine. Chlorine is liberated at anode. It is also obtained as a byproduct in many chemical industries. Now I am going to discuss properties of chlorine gas. All reactions are very important. All properties are important. It is a greenish yellow gas with pungent and suffocating odor. It is about 2 to 5 times heavier than air. It is a heavy gas. It is about 2 to 5 times heavier than air. It can be liquefied easily. It can be liquefied easily into greenish yellow liquid, which this liquid boils at 230 Kelvin. It is soluble in water. Now chemical reaction I am telling you. What I discussed, that was the physical properties. Now chemical properties. Chlorine reacts with a number of metals and non-metals to form chlorides. Examples means reactions: 2Al plus 3Cl2. It gives 2AlCl3. Second reaction, 2Na plus Cl2. It gives 2NaCl. Third, 2Fe plus 3Cl2. It gives 2FeCl3. Then now I told that reaction related to metal. Here aluminum, sodium, iron, all are metal. Now non-metal, P4 plus 6Cl2, phosphorus I am talking about, P4 plus 6Cl2, it gives 4PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. And S8 plus 4Cl2, sulfur, S8 plus 4Cl2, it gives 4H2Cl2, sulfur chloride. Now next reaction I am telling you, it has great affinity for hydrogen. It reacts with compounds containing hydrogen to form HCl. Reaction I am telling you, H2 plus Cl2, it gives 2HCl. H2S plus Cl2, H2S hydrogen sulfide, H2S plus Cl2, it gives 2HCl plus sulfur S. H2S plus Cl2, it gives 2HCl plus S. Next is C10H16 hydrocarbon. C10H16 plus 8Cl2 means hydrocarbon reacts with chlorine. C10H16, this is the hydrocarbon, plus 8Cl2, it gives 16HCl plus 10 carbon. This reaction is very, very important. C10 plus H16 plus 8Cl2, it gives 16HCl plus 10 carbon. Now next reaction with excess ammonia, it reacts with ammonia also in two conditions. With excess ammonia, chlorine gives nitrogen and ammonium chloride, whereas with excess chlorine, one time excess ammonia, when ammonia is in excess, it gives nitrogen and ammonium chloride. With excess ammonia, chlorine gives nitrogen and ammonium chloride, and with excess chlorine, when chlorine is in excess, it gives nitrogen trichloride, and you know nitrogen trichloride is explosive. Okay, then reaction you can write, you can understand 8NH3 plus 3Cl2, it gives 6NH4Cl plus N2. 8NH3, it should be excess. 8NH3, it should be in excess plus 3Cl2. It gives 6NH4Cl plus N2, nitrogen gas. Now, when chlorine is in excess, then NH3 plus 3Cl2, it gives NCl3 plus 3HCl. Nitrogen trichloride is explosive. Now other reaction I am telling you, other properties. Here also it reacts with dilute alkalis. With cold and dilute alkalis, chlorine produces a mixture of chloride and hypochlorite, RITE. But with hot concentrated alkalis, two conditions are there. First, cold and dilute alkalis, and second is hot and concentrated alkalis. Then it gives two different types of product. With cold and dilute alkalis, chlorine produces a mixture of chloride and hypochlorite. But with hot and concentrated alkalis, it gives chloride and chlorate. First case it was the hypochlorite. In second case it is a chlorate, means with hot and concentrated alkalis. Reaction you can understand this balanced equation I am telling you, 2NOH plus Cl2. When it is a cold and dilute, sodium hydroxide is cold and dilute, then 2NOH plus Cl2, it gives three product, NaCl plus NaOCl, hypochlorite plus H2O. And second reaction I am telling you, 6NaOH plus 3Cl2. 6NaOH plus 3Cl2. Now NaOH is hot and concentrated. Then 6NaOH plus 3Cl2, it gives three product. First is 5NaCl. Second is NaClO3 chlorate, NaClO3 plus 3H2O. Now next reaction I am telling you, with dry slaked lime. With lime I am telling you, dry slaked lime, it gives bleaching powder. It is very, very important reaction. With dry slaked lime, it gives bleaching powder. Reaction, balanced reaction I am telling you, 2CaOH whole 2, calcium hydroxide, 2CaOH whole 2, it is called select lime. Then 2CaOH whole 2 plus 2Cl2, it gives CaOCl whole 2 plus CaCl2 plus 2H2O. Then CaOCl whole 2 is called bleaching powder. Okay. Then this I have told you about the bleaching powder, how it is prepared. Now question is asked regarding bleaching powder, composition of bleaching powder. Then here you have seen that sorry for interruption. I was telling about this composition of bleaching powder. The composition of bleaching powder is asked in examination. Then you have seen in the reaction that CaOCl whole 2 was produced, and along with this calcium chloride was also there. Hence its composition, real composition of bleaching powder, now I am telling you, that is the CaOCl whole 2, CaCl2, CaOH whole 2, twice H2O. Means you can understand like that there are 4 composition. First CaOCl whole 2, second product was calcium chloride, means CaCl2, and third what you have taken calcium hydroxide, that also may be there, and water was formed in the reaction, then that water also is considered as composition. Then composition of bleaching powder is CaOCl whole 2, CaCl2, CaOH whole 2, 2H2O. This is the composition of bleaching powder. Now next I am telling you next reaction. Chlorine reacts with hydrocarbons and gives substitution products with saturated hydrocarbons. Chlorine reacts with hydrocarbons and gives substitution products with saturated hydrocarbons, and addition product with unsaturated hydrocarbons. I will tell reaction for both, when it is saturated and when it is unsaturated. Then methane plus Cl2. Methane is saturated, CH4 plus Cl2. In the presence of UV light, it gives methyl chloride plus HCl. This is very, very important and common reaction. In presence of UV light, CH4 plus Cl2, it gives CH3Cl plus HCl. Then this is with reaction with saturated hydrocarbon, and with unsaturated it gives addition products. Means C2H4 is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Then C2H4 plus Cl2, it gives C2H4Cl2, means 1,2-dichloroethane. Okay. Now again I am telling you properties of chlorine. Chlorine water on standing loses its yellow color. Important things, actually question is asked. Chlorine water on standing loses its yellow color due to the formation of HCl and HOCl. Chlorine water, actually water, if chlorine is dissolved, then it will actually in the beginning it will look like yellow. Then that yellow color goes. Chlorine water on standing loses its yellow color due to formation of HCl and HOCl. HOCl question is asked. Now next, hypochlorous acid, HOCl is called hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid so formed gives nascent oxygen. Nascent oxygen means O, which is responsible for oxidizing and bleaching properties of chlorine. Again, this question is asked. Nascent oxygen means O, freshly prepared O, that is called nascent oxygen. The nascent oxygen which is responsible for oxidizing and bleaching properties of chlorine. Okay. Then hypochlorous acid, I told you, hypochlorous wherever HOCl is produced. Hypochlorous acid formed gives nascent oxygen which is responsible for oxidizing and bleaching properties of chlorine. Okay. Now further reaction I am telling you, it oxidizes ferrous to ferric. Oxidizing properties I am telling you. Oxidizing properties of chlorine. It oxidizes ferrous means Fe2 plus to ferric means Fe plus 3 plus, and sulfite to sulfate. SO3 you know, that is sulfite. SO4 is sulfate. Then it oxidizes ferrous to ferric and sulfite to sulfate. Chlorine oxidizes sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide. Okay, third important thing, chlorine oxidizes sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide and iodine to iodate. In the presence of water, they form sulfuric acid and iodic acid respectively. Reaction I am telling you, 2FeSO4 plus H2SO4 plus Cl2. 2FeSO4 plus H2SO4 plus Cl2, it gives Fe2SO4 whole 3 plus 2HCl. Second reaction, that is the sulfate I told you, now sulfite. Actually this APSO 2FeSO4 which is in Fe plus plus. FeSO4 means Fe is in plus 2 plus, and Fe2SO4 whole 3, that is Fe plus 3. Okay. Second reaction, sulfite, Na2SO3 plus Cl2 plus H2O. It gives Na2SO4 plus 2HCl. Okay. Now sulfite converted to sulfate. Third reaction, SO2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. SO2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. It gives H2SO4 plus 2HCl. Now next reaction, I2 plus 6H2O plus 5Cl2. I2 plus 6H2O plus 5Cl2 means reaction with iodine. I2 plus 6H2O plus 5Cl2, it gives 2HIO3, iodic acid. 2HIO3 plus 10HCl. Now one more reaction I am telling you. It is a powerful bleaching agent, means it will remove the color. It is a powerful bleaching agent. Bleaching action is due to oxidation. Bleaching action is due to oxidation. Reaction I am telling you, Cl2 plus H2O, it gives two products, 2HCl plus O, nascent oxygen O, and colored substance, any colored substance plus O, it gives colorless substance. Means colorful substance became colorless, okay, due to bleaching action of oxygen, nascent oxygen O. Colored substance plus O, it gives colorless substance. Now I am discussing usage, application of chlorine gas. Usage. It is used, actually I will discuss 5 uses. I will discuss main 5 uses. First, for bleaching wood pulp. It is used for bleaching wood pulp. Wood pulp is required for the manufacture of paper and rayon. Bleaching cotton and textile. Here it is used. It is used for bleaching cotton and textiles. It is also used for bleaching wood pulp, and wood pulp it is required for the manufacture of paper and rayon. Second use I am telling you, in the extraction of gold and platinum. This question is asked. That chlorine is used in the extraction of gold and platinum. Question is asked. Third use, in the manufacture of dyes, drugs and organic compounds such as CCl4, CHCl3 means chloroform, DDT, refrigerant. Chlorine is used as a refrigerant also, means it will give organic compounds. You will get organic compounds which is used as refrigerants with chlorine. Chlorine is used in the manufacture of refrigerants also. It is used in the manufacture of dyes, drugs and organic compounds. Example of organic compounds such as CCl4, CHCl3 means chloroform, DDT, refrigerants, etc. Next use means fourth use, in sterilizing drinking water, because it kills the germs, and that's why it is used in sterilizing drinking water. Fifth use I am telling you, preparation of poisonous gases. It is also used in the preparation of poisonous gases such as phosgene. Phosgene is a deadly poisonous, COCl2. Question is asked. Phosgene gas, COCl2, it is a deadly poisonous. Next gas, poisonous gas is tear gas. Its formula is CCl3NO2. Means it is just like a CH4, all H removed, 3H removed by Cl, then it becomes CCl3, and fourth one which with NO2, hence CCl3NO2. Nitro trichloride methane also you can tell. All 3H removed by Cl, 3Cl, fourth one is NO2, hence nitro trichloromethane also you can tell. It is called tear gas. Tear gas question is asked. CCl3NO2. Next poisonous gas is mustard gas. In war, this gas is used, mustard gas. This is a poisonous gas. And this gas also you can remember very easily. Actually, this is the CH2CH2Cl. 2 times you are using. In the middle, sulfur is there, S. S has 2 valency. Then one side CH2CH2Cl. Second side also same thing, CH2CH2Cl. Hence it is very easy to remember. Sulfur is in the middle, left side CH2CH2Cl. It is attached. Right side also CH2CH2Cl attached. This is called mustard gas. All these gases are asked. This is a very, very important in general competition also these gases are asked. Okay. Now I am going to discuss hydrogen chloride HCl. Hydrogen chloride HCl. It bleaches vegetable or organic matter in the presence of moisture. First important things. Hydrogen chloride, it bleaches vegetable or organic matter in the presence of moisture. Bleaching effect of chlorine is this is also you can tell use of chlorine only. This is also you can tell use of chlorine also. HCl I will tell you here, but here this also you can tell this is the use of Cl2. Okay. It bleaches vegetable or organic matter in the presence of moisture. Bleaching effect of chlorine is permanent. This also you remember. Bleaching effect of chlorine is permanent. Now hydrogen chloride I am telling you. Glover prepared name, one scientist is there, Glover. His name is Glover. Glauber, Glover. Glover prepared HCl acid in 1648 by heating common salt with concentrated sulfuric acid. This Glover in 1648 prepared by heating common salt with concentrated sulfuric acid. Davy in 1810 showed that it is a compound of hydrogen and chlorine. Okay, this question is also asked. Now preparation I am telling you. Preparation. In laboratory it is prepared by heating sodium chloride with concentrated sulfuric acid, means NaCl plus H2SO4. 420 Kelvin you have to maintain temperature. 420 Kelvin. NaCl plus H2SO4, it form NaHSO4 plus HCl. Second method, second lab method, NaHSO4 plus NaCl. It gives Na2SO4 plus HCl. You can also tell that on complete reaction NaCl plus H2SO4, it gives NaHSO4 plus HCl, and this NaHSO4 it will continue to give HCl. Okay, with NaCl, NaHSO4 plus NaCl, it gives Na2SO4 plus HCl. But in this reaction more temperature is required, 823 Kelvin. HCl gas being dried by passing through concentrated sulfuric acid. HCl gas contains some water, moisture, hence it can be dried. HCl gas can be dried by passing through concentrated sulfuric acid, because concentrated sulfuric acid is a dehydrating agent. It absorbs the water molecules. Now properties of HCl I am telling you. It is a colorless and pungent smelling gas. HCl is a gas actually, but when it is dissolved in water, that time it is called acid. HCl is actually gas, but when it is dissolved in water, when it is dissolved in water, then it is called HCl acid, hydrochloric acid. Then it is a colorless and pungent smelling gas. It is easily liquefied to a colorless liquid and its boiling point is 189 Kelvin and freezes to a white crystalline solid. It can also freeze to a white crystalline solid and its freezing point is 159 Kelvin. Boiling point is 189. If it is easily liquefied to a colorless liquid and its boiling point is 189 and freezes to a white crystalline solid, its freezing point is 159 Kelvin. It is extremely soluble in water. It is extremely soluble in water and ionizes HCl plus H2O. It will give hydronium ion plus Cl minus and K value is 10 to the power 7. 10 to the power 7 means its Ka value means ionization value is very high. Dissociation constant is very high, 10 to the power 7. It dissociates fast, ionizes fast. HCl plus H2O, it forms H3O, hydronium ion plus Cl minus, chloride ion. Its aqueous solution is called hydrochloric acid. High value of dissociation constant means K value indicates that it is a strong acid in water. It reacts with NH3. NH3 behaves as a base and HCl is an acid. Hence acid and base, when both will react, it forms salt. It reacts with NH3 and gives white fumes of ammonium chloride. So this is a salt, white fumes of ammonium chloride. NH3 plus HCl, it gives NH4Cl. When 3 parts of concentrated HCl, again important things you will learn. Here question is asked. I am talking about the aqua regia. Aqua regia. In aqua regia, all things will dissolve. Okay, all things will dissolve. Aqua regia. I am talking about that. When 3 parts of concentrated HCl and 1 part of concentrated nitric acid HNO3 are mixed, aqua regia is formed, which is used for dissolving noble metals like gold, platinum, etc. These metals will not react with air, water, anything, but this can dissolve. This is called noble metals. This dissolves in aqua regia. Au, how reaction I am telling you, it is very, very important reaction. Au means gold means Au. Au plus 4H plus NO3 plus HCl. Actually, nitric acid also produces H ion. HNO3 it produces H ion and HCl also produces H ion. Then reaction I am telling you, Au plus 4H plus NO3 minus plus 4Cl minus, it forms AuCl4 1 minus plus NO nitric oxide brown gas plus 2H2O plus 2H2O. This reaction takes place when it dissolves in aqua regia. And platinum I am talking about 3Pt plus 16H plus 4NO3 plus 18Cl minus. This platinum reaction I am talking in aqua regia. In aqua regia always nitrate ion and chloride ion will be there. Balanced equation I am telling you, 3 platinum 3Pt plus 16H plus 4NO3 1 minus plus 18Cl 1 minus. It gives 3PtCl6 2 minus plus 4NO nitric oxide plus 8H2O. Okay, NO and H2O it giving in both with Au also with P2 also. NO and H2O is common, but balance reaction is different. In case of Au, Au plus 4H plus NO3 1 minus plus 4Cl. It gives AuCl4 1 minus plus NO plus 2H2O. But with platinum 3Pt plus 16H plus 4NO3 minus 1 minus plus 18Cl 1 minus, it gives 3PtCl6 2 minus plus 4NO plus 8H2O. Now further reaction I am telling you. Further HCl properties. Hydrochloric acid decomposes salts of weaker acid. Salts of weaker acid. HCl or hydrochloric acid decomposes salts of weaker acids. Example: carbonate, hydrocarbonate, sulfite, etc. It will decompose these salt. Reaction I am telling you. Na2CO3, this is the carbonate. Na2CO3 plus 2HCl. It gives 3 products, 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. It is a common reaction, common and important reaction. Na2CO3 plus 2HCl, it gives 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. And bicarbonate, NaHCO3 plus HCl. NaHCO3 plus HCl, it gives NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. H2O plus CO2 is common. Now third reaction, Na2SO3 sulfide, sodium sulfide plus 2HCl. Again it will give same product, 2NaCl plus H2O plus SO2. In the place of CO2, now it will give SO2. This I have discussed properties of HCl. Now I am telling the properties of HCl. Not properties, use, application of HCl. It is used in the manufacture of chlorine gas, ammonium chloride and glucose from corn starch. Okay, this is the main application. It is used in the manufacture of chlorine gas, ammonium chloride and glucose from corn starch. Second use, for extracting glue from bones. For extracting glue from bones and purifying bone black. It is also used in purifying bone black, means bone charcoal. Third use, in medicine and as a laboratory reagent. HCl is used in medicine and as a laboratory reagent. Now I am stopping only here. Next class I will discuss oxo acids of halogens. Okay, thank you.